Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming connectivity. Visual voicemail needs data. Open the phone app and tap the voicemail tab, or dial your carrier's voicemail number if no tab appears. Once in the setup flow, follow prompts to create a secure PIN and record a greeting. This authenticates access and personalizes responses. Make sure to grant any permission requests for calls and storage so messages can download and display. After setup completes, you'll see message list, thumbnails ready for playback and management. Once your inbox populates, tap any message to play it. Playback streams or downloads depending on connection. You can swipe to delete or archive and use the share button to forward audio files. If transcription is available, read the text to quickly scan content and decide whether to call back. Make sure to adjust notification preferences and playback speed in voicemail settings so you don't miss urgent calls. These options control how messages arrive and how they are presented for fast triage. To finish, review your settings. Update PIN, change greeting, and confirm storage location. If you encounter missing messages or upload failures, toggle mobile data, restart the phone, and reopen the voicemail app to force a refresh. Make sure your carrier account has voicemail provisioning enabled. Sometimes visual voicemail requires carrier-side activation. If problems persist, contact carrier support with details. Your account provisioning or a network outage is often the root cause, and they can reset voicemail services remotely.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.